Hi everyone, I'm Anna. Welcome to my channel. I'm gonna show you how to make easy chocolate covered marshmallow cookies. We're gonna start with combining 200 grams of sugar with 4 egg whites. Put the bowl in a pot that has water in it and make sure the water doesn't touch the base of the bowl. Keep stirring until you don't feel any grains of sugar. That's how you know it's ready. And now we're gonna whisk the egg mixture for about 10 minutes until stiff peaks are formed. And you can tell it's done when the egg whites are able to hold their shape. Fold the egg whites gently into a piping bag with a wide nozzle. And go ahead and grab cookies of your choice. Start piping from the middle to create firm swirl shape. And don't stress about it, they don't have to be perfect. They're so shiny and pretty, they're gonna be delicious. Let's go ahead and put them in the freezer for about 2 hours. Let's melt 200 grams of chocolate with 2 tablespoons of flavorless oil. I use avocado oil. You can pour the chocolate into a taller container so it'll be easier to work with. And now the fun part, dip that beauty in the chocolate. Hold the cookie for about a few seconds until all the extra chocolate stops dripping. Take the marshmallow cookies and dip them in the chocolate one by one out of the freezer. If you feel that the chocolate starts to get firm, you just heat it up for extra few seconds. Serve these fresh or keep them in the freezer. These are truly unforgettable. The bite that you get from the soft marshmallow with the chocolate on top, delicious. You must give this recipe a try. And if you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to press that like button and subscribe to my channel so you won't miss out my next recipe.